Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this discussion, we will see how to add icons in menu. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to create menus and parent-child menus, please check link is given in description. So let's back to our main topic. In previous discussion, we used community version, but right now we are working in enterprise version with Odoo version 14. You can see here, if you click here, you can see those are the parent menus, and parent menu having a name also, the menu names here you can see. If you click to this menu, you will redirect to the student page like this. Right now we are just trying to upgrade our module, like -u C school student. And let me show you one more thing is, in views part we already add this one, right, in our last topic. So you can see here, first I'm going to front end side and trying to refresh the page. Now I'm going to here in the top corner, top left corner here, you can see now the student profile menu is added, but you can see we didn't add any icon for this menu. So Odoo automatically use this icon by default if you not provide any icon for the parent module. And you can see like this, right? But we need to add menu here. How we can add? We can add using two ways. Either we need to go to here in the front end side only, like here in settings, in menu we need to find out that menu student profile, and simply we need to click here. Now you can see here, like we have like 4 icons. Let me choose this one, Odoo icon.png, and save. You can see here right now there is no any icon is there, but refresh the page. Now you can see we have this icon, but you can see here like school profile also have the same one. So let me add another icon but in the backend side. So this is the first way is directly you can go to in front end side, search the menu. Under the menu you have to choose the icon only. So this is the first way. Another way is you can just go to here in the front ends, in the backend side, and here you have to find out the parent menu, and here we need to use web underscore icon is the attribute name, and in this attribute we need to use here the path, but the path name should be like the first is the module name. We need to remember like school underscore student. Why? Because this file is under this module, school underscore student. After comma, now right now I don't have any images here. This icon.png is there, but I want to display another icon. So I'm going to here, and you can see there are 4 files is there, and let me add the first icon, this first image, and I will place in the very static, and here I will create one more dictionary img image. Under the img I'm just passed this image file and just trying to add here. So in this module you need to check like static. Inside the static you have to find out img folder, and under this img folder the name of the file is icon.png. we need to make sure like the spelling should be correct, otherwise it will raise the error. So let me upgrade the module from the terminal only, and I'm going to front end side and trying to refresh the page. You can see the oops, we have some error. Alright, so I made a one mistake. Instead of this menu, we need to add here the menu icon. This is the parent menu. This is not a parent menu because you can see the parent attribute we already used. So here I am just trying to upgrade the module. So that's the main mistake from my side, and it's successfully upgraded. Now just trying to refresh the page. You can see the menu icon is already menu icon display here. One more thing is you can place the image anywhere, and you have to just define the path. Let's say I'm just using here, instead of the image img, I'm using like description dictionary. You can see here under the static description and icon.png, and now I'm just trying to upgrade the module and trying to refresh the page. You can see here the icon will change. So you can see the icon already changed. So like this way you can add icons like this way. But let's talk about that error. So here, like Odoo says, you have to only define icons who is the parent menu, otherwise it will raise the error. So let's say I'm just trying to use this one under this menu and trying to upgrade the module. You can see here the error. So you can see here it's giving us element Odoo has, oops, this is too fast. Let me stop the screen service. So it says like element Odoo has extra content data and line 2, but if you see the line 2, it's actually starting the data. So we cannot sure which error Odoo trying to rise. Here we need to understand the Odoo error, because this is not a user friendly always errors, I mean. So that time you have to just use try and error, like whatever you change the last thing, you need to first commit those changes, and then you can just upgrade the module. If error is still there, then you have to again comment another part and so on, like you need to check which part you need to fix. So that is the main disadvantage we can say for the error logs. What we can see, it's not a user friendly. So let me place in the correct menu. So I hope you understood like how we can add menu icon using web underscore icon attribute in menu tag. I hope you understood this error and how you can also place the menu from the front end side as well as in the back end side. In case you have any query or doubt, please comment below, and see you in next session.